You think that people had enough of so we have our simple equation. We start with basic algebra. 3x plus 5 plus 4x minus 2. Please simplify the equation. You have 10 seconds.
Oh my God.
What's the answer?
Why is
Simplify
to
this
find the X?
equation. No, simplify it only.
Oh my God.
Faster. Okay, so it's 7x plus 3. The answer is this one. Okay, how do we completely erase this in one button? O, de wag na.
Ado, scroll mo na lang. Ito oh, clear
Gano'n.
page,
Ayan
clear
na.
page. On the
Ano?
bottom left,
Bottom left,
clear
clear
page.
page. I see. Sige, next, what is the sum of these two trinomials? Okay,
Oh
can
my
you sing us
God.
a song?
I can't believe you're doing
What's your
math.
favorite song right now?
Right now,
Yeah.
Realize by Kobe Calais.
An old song. If you
Yeah.
just realize what I just. So the answer is actually 9x squared plus 10x plus 5. Okay.
What?
Next,
That's
we are going
interesting.
to do a X is a variable with a value we don't know. But say you have an equation. An equation can allow you to know the value of an X, such as the equation 5 plus X equals 8. What is the value of X?
Oh, um, three.
3. Okay,
How
next.
do you do it again?
The x should make the equation true, and 3 is the value of x in this case. Say that you'll be presented with an algebra problem in a fraction form, such as x to the 8 over x to the 3. You'll only need to subtract the exponents in this case. Dividing something in itself yields 1. So
Five?
x is equal to 5 because the
Oh.
wind is so strong. So say that we have 8x's, right? 3, 6, 7, 8. So we divide 8 with these number of x's. Since we're just going to divide these number of x's, technically, we are just deducting the number of x's on the numerator since they are divisible to each other. So we have what's left is x to the 5. Ah, ganun.
Really?
Okay, in the case of the exponent in the denominator being greater than the numerator, you'll only need to subtract the numerator exponent to the denominator. So x to the 4 over x to the 7 equals 1 over x to the 3. Why? Okay, next. If presented with 3x to the third times 5x to the sixth, you only need to multiply the coefficients or the numbers beside the variables. So 15
15
times
and
x, and then we
18.
add the exponents of the variables.
9.
Yes. All right. And another example, we have 3x to the 3. Ay, mali. We have 4x to the y squared times x. Ay, ganun ka. 8x squared to the plus, I mean, 8x squared y to the 3, which yields 32x 3 y 5. Many people will make the mistake of multiplying the variables, but we should not. We only need to add the
May,
exponents
may
because
1
the
sa taas
exponents
ng
will
X.
multiply. Yes, of course. Now
There's like
remember,
a
1 to
silent
the
one.
0 is equal to, what is 1 to the 0?
0.
No, it's 1.
Ha?
Yeah. What is 0 to the 0?
1.
Ay, ganun siya. Yes. 0 to the
Ha?
power of 0 is equal to 1. Even if it's nothing to the power of nothing, it's 1.
That doesn't make sense.
I know, it's such a magical thing. So next we will divide 12x to the 5 and y to the negative 3 and z to the 4 over 36 x to the 8 and y to the negative 4 and z to the negative 8. Please perform this operation.
Oh my God. Oh my
What's the
God.
answer?
Uh,
Okay, so the answer is
you
ano
didn't
daw?
teach me this.
So this is 1 over 3 and this is x 3 and this is y minus 7. Ganon. Ay, ano daw?
I give
Y
up.
minus 7. Ano y minus 7? Kasi ano daw?
Suko na rin po siya.
Kasi ang mangyayari dito, y minus 3 tapos minus 4.
Why
So
are we doing
magiging
this?
y plus 1. Oh, edi may y ka pero ibabalintong mo siya. Kasi ano eh. Ano daw? Kasi negative 1 siya dito. Y to the negative 1. Tapos, z to the negative 4. Since inverse tong negative, ilalagay mo siya sa taas. Magiging z to the 4, tapos 3x to the cube. Ay, mali. Z to the 12 pala. Kasi 4 plus 8.
If you just
Kasi
realize
z to the negative 12.
what I
Oh.
just
O
realized.
de, ganyan siya.
Oh, okay.
Z
So,
to the
simplifying lang
12.
the equation,
Oh,
ganon.
ang hirap, grabe.
Ang galing mo.
It's difficult for me. Ganun siya.
Balik na lang sa multiplication.
Tapos, if presented with, ay, ganun. If presented with, ay, nasaan yung pen ko?
Nasaan?
X to the 3 times 4. Oh, and then mangyayari ay x to the 12 siya.
12.
Mhm.
Yay! Galing ko doon.
Tapos, ang iba naman na operation pa ay 3 to the y squared times 4 na exponent is equal to
3 to the y, 8.
hindi, kasi kasali yung 3.
Ah!
Oh, so 81 y 8.
Ah! Paano naging 81?
Naka-parenthesis siya. Naka-parenthesis siya, meaning kasali siya.
Ba't naging
Hindi siya
81?
hindi kasi 3 to the 4, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 9 times 27, that time times 3, 27 times 3 is 81. Oh, 'di ba?
Kakainis.
Hindi mo to alam? Nako.
Hindi ko na alam. Siyempre.
Oh, ede ito. What is 7x squared y 3 to
May
the power
negative.
of 0?
May
Oh,
negative.
meron nga.
One lang lahat.
Oh, tama. Kasi, kasi ano daw?
Wow. Na-diminish na rin si X and si Y.
If you're presented with negative 2 to the third power, the answer is
Two. Wait lang ah. 36. Negative 36.
Mali. Mali.
Ah!
2 times 2 times 2.
Oo nga.
36 ba yan?
Or 8. 8. Negative
O,
8.
8. Negative 8? Tama. Ay, mali.
Mali.
Ang aking sinala sa'yo. Tama ka. Pero kapag ito ay negative 2 to the third, ano ang answer?
Um, Hindi ko alam.
Kasi negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. O,
Positive
edi,
na.
positive 4 o negative 8.
Positive 4.
Tama. Tama, tama, tama. Negative 8 pa rin. Tapos,
Hindi man prepared yung tutor ko.
nga, trick question siya. Same lang din. Ano naman to? 2x plus 3 times 3x minus 2. What's the answer?
Ba't humirap naman?
Hindi siya humiram.
2x plus 3. I don't even know 2x plus 3. Is it
Gamitin mo yung
5x?
FOIL method. FOIL.
5x.
Ha? Yung
5x?
5x. FOIL nga eh. Ito, first, tapos outer,
Ah.
inner, and last.
What
Oh.
the heck is the FOIL method?
Yeah, FOIL mo yan.
What? Hindi ba
So,
isa-solve
maging
mo muna yung each
6x,
parenthesis?
tapos ito maging 9x, tapos ito maging negative 4x. So, i-operate mo to siya dahil same sila ng sign, maging plus 5x minus 6. Oh, di ba?
Anong kinalaman nito sa buhay?
So, 12ab squared plus
May AB
18a
na.
squared b3. Simplify this equation.
Foil din ba to?
Hindi. Simplify mo.
Hindi naman ako Okay, saan ako
Simplify.
mauuna?
Hindi ko alam.
8, 9, 10, 30.
I-simplify mo lang.
Awan ko. Teach me.
So, since divisible to sila by 6, ilalabas mo siyang ganyan. Tapos
Ah,
may common siyang A, may common din
oo,
siyang
tama.
B. So, 6AB. Since pwede naman tong i-add,
Ha, may...
tapos yung lowest ay B, B squared. O, di ba? So,
Ha?
magiging 2, tapos 2. 2 lang siya. Ah, hindi. Oo nga. Tapos, magiging 3. Tapos, A. Tapos, B. Oh.
Ah,
Simplified siya.
hindi mo siya mukhang na-simplify.
Na-simplify siya kasi alam mo na paano mag-add ngayon ng exponent, di ba?
Hindi ko alam.
So, i-simplify mo to. X
Ikaw na lang
minus
mag-solve.
5,
Big ako na
tapos
lang
X
magbigay.
plus 5. Ganon.
Oo. Ay, foil.
Simplify
Okay.
mo to.
Foil. X square.
Oh, di ba?
Tama. Tapos, outer.
Oh.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25. Tama?
Hmm.
Minus,
Ilagay mo.
minus 25. Ganyan.
Oh, tama. So, ito naman yung simplify mo. 81 na x to the 4 minus 16 y to the
Walang
8.
bracket eh. Foil lang ako.
Meron yan. Simplify mo to.
81 tsaka 16.
Oh.
Ah, what's the smallest divisible?
Meron yan.
3, 16. I don't know. How do
Hmm?
you know? How do you know? Um, I don't know. Do it.
Ikaw.
No! Iiyak ako.
Hindi mo magawa.
Hindi ko
Sandali
magawa.
Ano to? Okay.
Hindi mo din alam
So, ang
eh.
gagawin ay may ano sila common factor. So, i-ano mo siya, gawin mo siyang two brackets.
Ha?
Ang gagawin ay so 9 tapos 8, 9, 3, ano ba?
Wala. Ang hirap ng 81.
Oo, alam ko na. 9x tapos dito 9x para magiging ano siya
Hindi man
81x to the
divisible sa
4. So magiging
16.
square to siya. 9x square tapos minus kasi kung minus pwede mo lang siya magitling ng gano'n para plus. Kasi kung plus kailangan i-erase mo. Tapos magiging 4 tapos 4 y 4 Oh, ano? Plus. So, magiging plus yung isa. Oh, tama ba yung place? 36 x squared. Tapos ito 36. Oh, magiging minus yan. Oh, tama na.
Ba't parang humaba?
Hindi. Yan yung kanyang factors. So, isi-simplify mo pa siya since
Foil.
itong 9x squared ay perfect square siya, not na monomial, binomial. So, ang
Ano mo
gagawin
na?
mo, bigyan mo ng plus points yung magsisimplify ng pangalawa. So, magiging 3x minus
Akala ko
2,
yung square mo
2y.
lang.
2 square. Tapos, ganun din siya. O, 2y square. Kasi, tapos yung
Ha?
isang plus.
Bakit
Oh,
humaba?
6x. 6x. Oh, minus 4y to the 4. Oh, saan ka pa?
Hindi mo man na-simplify.
Next,
Mas nag-complicate.
factoring goes as follows. Factoring. I-factor mo to. 12ab squared plus 18a squared b cubed. I-factor mo.
Turuan mo ako kasi step by step.
I-fa- I-factor. Kanina pa ako nagtuturo ng step by step. I-factor mo to.
Hindi. Yung simplihan mo parang foil.
Hindi, i-factor mo to, i-simplify mo to.
O, ano nga step 1?
Yung common nila, tapos ilabas mo, ipasok mo,
Yung common nila,
i-compute mo. Oh, yung common nga nila.
4. 4, 8, 12.
Hindi.
Anong common ng 12 at
You
18?
only take the least common factor and simplify as so.
Least common
So,
factor.
magiging, Mali pala yung equation ko. Wala akong example nito. Homework yun siya.
Ay nako,
So,
ita-ChatGPT ko
i-simplify
lang
mo to.
yan.
Akala ko gagawin mo. So, 6x minus 16. Please
Ala,
simplify.
anong unang gagawin?
So, since we have a common factor for these two of
What's the
x
common
squared,
factor?
diba? So, magiging
Why?
3x plus 8. Tapos, ito naman, common factor nila ay 2. So,
Hindi naman.
magiging
3 tsaka 2
3x,
lang.
ano?
Bakit, bakit naging common factor yung x2?
Ah?
Yung x raised to
Common
the power
factor yung
of 2.
x2? Ito
Eh,
nga lang yung common nila, hindi nga 4, hindi nga 5, hindi nga 6. 2 nga. So, ang mangyayari ay ipa-perform mo lang 'to.
ha?
Ano daw? Hindi. Ang gagawin mo ay gawin mo siyang ano, ano ka? Since may common na silang dalawa, ito oh. Ilalabas mo siyang ganun, 3x plus 8 times x squared. Hindi mo kailangan ng parenthesis dito. Tama?
Oo.
O mali?
Asan napunta yung -2?
3x squared minus 2. Oh.
Ba't hindi
So,
pwede
magiging
mauna
ganito
yung x
siya.
square?
Ha?
Hindi pwede
Oh,
mauna yung x
gawin
square.
mo. Dun sa left mo ilagay.
Di ba sa left
Ito na yung
ilagay?
pinaka-simplified niya. Oh, para siyang ano, social.
So, hindi siya
Ganito siya.
pwedeng hindi siya pwedeng ganyan.
Ano?
Hindi siya
Hindi siya
pwedeng
pwedeng ano?
ganito.
Ewan sa'yo. Hindi ko makita.
Hindi mo kita. I-scroll down.
Linear equations na tayo. Okay,
Ah,
so
hindi
slope.
ko pa nga nakukuha eh. Such a bad
The
teacher.
x-intercept is the point where y equals 0. Can you repeat?
Ha?
The x-intercept is the point at which the y is
The
0.
x-intercept is the
Yes,
point
so the
in
point
which
for
the y
this is
is
x
0.
equals 3 is 3, 0. Yes. So for the y-intercept, the x is 0. Yes. Okay, and if you have these 4
What's a
points,
y-intercept?
joke la. So we will be given the value set m1 is equal to -3, m2 is equal to -3 as well.
Ah,
So,
pwede ba yun?
ano daw?
Pwede ba yun? Same lang.
Okay. Diretso na tayo sa equation niya. Our equation is y equals -3 over 4x plus 5. So this is the y-intercept form. M equals yx plus b. This is our slope. We have to graph this. And what is b?
Graphing
What does b stand for? So
beauty.
m is the slope. And y is the what?
Uy, less than a minute na lang.
Mali yung aking equation.
Babay na.
Sandali. Dapat
Magsa-stop na
i-correct
yung
siya.
Zoom.
Hindi. Y equals mx plus b. So, y is the y-intercept. B is the y-intercept. And m is the slope. Okay. So M composes of the rise and the run. Rise is the up
To
and
be
run is
continued.